Hey guys, look, I wanted to get on and at least see something. I said yesterday that I was gonna make a video, and I've been trying like so long today. This is actually like the fourth sorry no video that I've made. I've been trying since uh, I want to say like 4:30. 4:30 is when I got on, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that, and it's just like nothing has been coming out. All my images have been total crap. I can make some good images. Um, I'm just not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. I just quit smoking. I've been smoking since middle school. I'm almost 50 now. I've been smoking since middle school. I quit for 3 years. Some things happened. I got really stressed out. Like my cat got sick. I had to start smoking again. I didn't have to. I did. I started smoking again. She passed recently, and I was just like, okay, you know what? I have to quit. I have to quit again. So I got on the patch. I've been on the patch, and even on the patch, I just wasn't sleeping. I haven't been sleeping at all. So I've been off the patch for like 3 days now because I've gone through all my patches, and I'm still not sleeping. I'm sleeping like 2, maybe 4 hours a day, 4 hours at the most. I sleep. If anything, like sometimes I can fall asleep, and then I wake up 2 hours later, and I'm just up and I can't sleep. I don't know if that's why. I don't know what like I don't know if that's why I haven't been able to make images. It doesn't make sense because like yesterday, the days before, I've been able to make images, and then today it just hit me, and I've been having a really bad day for images. I didn't want to waste your time. Every time I make this video, and I tell you guys sorry, I'm not able to make a video today. It keeps coming like really long, and I don't want it to be long. But I did want to show you I did want to show you guys I have been working on it. It's just like yesterday I came out with that picture that came out pretty good. I came out with that one that didn't come out that good. That one that came out okay, and then like today, like no matter how much I kept trying to throw it in there, it just kept looking like it was not doing very well. And then like even that and I thought maybe it was the Laura. Maybe it was the Laura that I was messing with. That I need to play with it a little bit more before I can actually do a tutorial on it. So I was like, okay, well, you know what? I'll play with this one because I was actually playing with the Grat one. And in painting with Grat, it was actually working really good. The one with from MetroCat, it was coming out really good. So I was like, okay, well, you know what? I'll just play with that one, and I'll do a tutorial on that one. So I kept trying and trying and trying with that one. They're literally like shooting windows out of cars out of here. I can hear them. I can hear them shooting the windows out. Um, and like nothing has been working for me, guys. Nothing all day. But I didn't want you to think, hey, you know what? It's the fourth. I didn't want you to think it was the fourth, and I went out and I partied, and I didn't do a video. I tried. I really did try. I tried, and nothing, just nothing's working, and I didn't want to sit there like the other video. It was 2 hours long. I sat there and did 2 hours, and when I finally looked at it, I was like, dude, none of these pictures are coming out right. You can't put this out. So then I started on the Grat one and the Crystal, and those images aren't even coming out right. And I'm like, you know what, dude, you can't do this. You gotta figure something else out. So I just decided to come up and make a video telling you guys sorry. It's not gonna work. I can't do it today. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do it tomorrow. Because like I gotta go get some stuff done for the apartment complex. They're like I don't know. I got stuff I gotta do, and I don't even think I'm gonna be able to do a model showcase tomorrow. I'll try, but I have to work, and then I have to get the stuff done for the apartment as well. But yeah, sorry guys. I said yesterday I was gonna make a video, and today I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull it off. But I don't want this video to get too long. Last video, I was trying to explain everything. It took me like 15 minutes, and I was like, dude, 15 minutes to tell you guys I'm not making a video. That's not good. But anyways, I wanted to make this. guys, go out, be nice to somebody. Please be nice to somebody. Like it's getting really bad. People are like really shitting all over everybody. Uh, I just don't have it today. You guys, I tried. I tried. God damn, I tried hard, and it just nothing was coming out. I think it's just my mind. I think I'm just too tired, and I'm not thinking of prompts. My prompts are all coming out like crap. I'm just not doing. I'm not putting. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll get it. Like this is a really good program. I'll figure it out. You guys have a good night. Love you. Bye bye. Thank you. Laters.